Hello everybody, and welcome to Idea Tech. Here we make tutorials on topics and discussions that might help you in one way or the other. Today we're going to be looking on how to delete our Instagram account. It's very simple, and I'll show it to you step by step, so don't worry at all. Firstly, we're going to be going to our profile and obviously log into our Instagram. After that, we're going to be clicking on our profile icon, and we're going to be going towards the settings option. Once we're in settings, we're going to scroll all the way, we're going to look at the last option, which is help. Once we click on help, we're going to be selecting the first that comes up, as in the help center. We're going to click on help center, and once we click on it, we're going to click on this tab, which is called manage your account. After clicking on manage your account, we can finally see the option of deleting your account. After we click on this option, it's going to take us, it's not really going to take us, it's just going to open up the tab a bit more for us, but we're going to be selecting the second one because we don't want to temporarily disable our account, we want to permanently delete it. So we're going to be, after that, we'll click on this link. After scrolling down a bit, go to delete your account. We're going to be pressing on this link. After we press on it, we're going to come to this page where it's written delete your account. You might have different reasons on deleting your account, or you might not want to share it. You just select any of the accounts. It's kind of compulsory. You need to click something, but since I'm showing you a tutorial and it's not stated here, I'm just going to go with something else. And do remember, your account won't be immediately deleted. As we can read here, if you continue, your profile and details will be deleted on March 23rd. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So it's just February 21st. So we have basically 1 month of deciding whether or not we want to delete our account or not. And within that time frame, if you do change your mind and you don't want to delete your account, just log back in, and that should bring your account back. But we want to delete our account, so we're just gonna re-enter our password here, and it's gonna give us another prompt on are we sure on deleting an account, and I think I'm pretty much sure on deleting it, so I'm just gonna click on OK right there, and that should make my account, basically my account won't be visible on Instagram anymore until and unless I change my mind before March 23rd. And if I don't change my mind before the March 23rd, my account is gonna be completely gone. Hopefully this video helped you in one way or the other, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, drop a like. Thank you for watching.